Hi guys, welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. It's been a while, I know, but I've got a very interesting tutorial I want to show you today, and I think you will learn something from this. Okay, so I've done this drive video the other week, and it's filmed with a GoPro on the car, and it's 50 frames per second. Okay, and this is the footage. This is the timeline is in 50 frames per second. But I've been experimenting and we can slow this down and make it look a lot better. So I would like to share this with you, and I think you'll find it really helpful in how we go about this. Alright, so what we do, we're already in this project. Okay, so we're going to make a new project from this. But the key thing is we're recording in 50 frames per second. But we need to make this project, this new project, into 25. So we're going to halve the recorded frame rate. We'll keep it at the 4K resolution, and I'll just put 25 frames per second test. Alright, so now we have two projects, and this is a new one. I'll just show you the original one to start with, right? So let's go and back to that one, and I'll show you a bird flying in front of the camera. It's very nice. So let's have a look. It's about to happen any time now. And it's happened so quick because it's 50 frames per second. And it will enter the frame right now. That's it, you see it. A really nice, I was very happy when that happened. So that's gone. And around the corner, we'll just show this as well. We've got a woman on a bicycle. Alright, so everything is like, there's no motion blur. I think it's interesting to see how it looks in slow motion. You see, this is just like not the best on the eye as you went past there. But let's see how this looks different in slow motion. So we go back to this project I just made, and we'll see. I'll just turn that sound off. Well, the sound's already on. I'll just turn it down a bit. Alright. Right, so we go to, I've marked the point where it is. This is not going as planned. Oh, there's the bike. Alright, so we way like a different point. We've got the bike. This is going to turn out a little bit longer than I intended because, of course, I'm searching for the specific points. The birds here. We'll see. This is the 25 frames per second slow-mo. And the bird is entering the frame right now. You see it's the blur, there's more motion blur, which when I first saw that I was really impressed. I thought it just looks better, this at 25 over 50, and even the woman on the bicycle looks very pleasing on the eye. There's a bit more motion blur. You see, I don't know if you can see clear, but I'll upload this to highest quality. But really, the magic I want to really share with you is slowing this down, the power of slow motion. So what we need to do is speed ramp it. Alright, so we go into Command R. And because we've slowing it down by half basically, we do it, it's 50 frames per second, so we can't really slow it down too much other than 50%. Alright, but it makes a big difference, as you will see. Right, just let us find the points now where we are looking for. Here we are. We've got the bicycle. We'll find the bird in a minute. Alright, you see. Look how cool this. I put it on full screen. Look how cool this looks. Almost like daydream-like. That is just smooth as butter. We'll go to the bird one. Let's just press S for skimming until we see it. It's not too far before this, but when you're really looking, it's right there. We are. All right, let's look at this bird in this 25p timeline, and also slowed down by 50%. Look at how cool and better that is to look at. You know, that's mind blowing. That's just so much better than the original 50 frames per second. You know. And you can just add some music to this, and it's really chilled. and so much better at like everything flying by at 1,000,000 miles an hour. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you find that helpful. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll get back to you when I can. So when I think of something more interesting that maybe I can pass on to you guys and show you, I will post another video. But thanks for watching the videos, thanks for listening, and now until the next video, take it easy, bye for now, peace.